You already know who it is. Red Crimson 102. Back with another unboxing. This time, guys, I have Wario Ware Gold for the Nintendo 3DS. Yeah. I know it's old, but hey, I bought it for $7 brand new at Walmart. You can't beat that. But anyway, let's get into it. Here's the front. Here's the back. Bite-sized action and frantic fun. 300 outlandish micro games. Drum roll, guys. Ta-da! Wow, even Nintendo back in the days with the 3DS had no manuals. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, here it is. WarioWare Gold. I'll be checking this out right after this unboxing. You guys have a good one. Subscribe. Red Crimson 102 out.